Happy Sunday, everyone.
Let's get ready to the day ahead together. Here I am wearing an SPF and sharing my plans for today.
I'm running errands today, so also we're going to take a walk in the park. So yeah, hope you're gonna enjoy your weekends. See you.
When my skincare is done, I'm off. You guys know that I run an e-commerce business, so here I am. We're going to the warehouse to ship some items. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you posted about it. After that, we got on the car and off to the warehouse to ship these items. While hubby is giving us a ride, Sunny is dancing all the way through. Look how cute his moves are. After half an hour, we have arrived. This is the warehouse. Honestly, I was so excited for this day, since these boxes have our very first orders ever. After taking care of the items, we were off to the next errand that we have. The next point was recycling. Recycling all of these pile of boxes at home that we have. We've been recycling for almost a year, I guess. I wish I could have done it earlier. Everything is done and we're off to the next one. To the bar. Isn't it a blessing that we have sunny, warm weather on April? So here we are in the park. And as usual, Sunny is going to climb on every single monkey bar, and hubby and I were gonna have a walk and have fun. Thank you.